Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will teach you about how to start a dropshipping business by forming your business. So let's break down the process of starting your dropshipping business by forming your business step by step. Dropshipping is a unique business model where you act as a middleman between suppliers and customers, selling products without keeping any physical inventory. It's important to grasp the fundamentals of this concept to make informed decisions. So, the first thing you'll need to do is to select a business structure. When it comes to structuring your business, you have a few options to consider. First, there's the sole proprietorship, which is the simplest and involves you as the sole owner. Then there's the limited liability company or LLC, offering a balance between simplicity and liability protection. Lastly, there's the corporation, which provides the highest level of liability protection but also involves more paperwork and complexity. Your choice here will impact your legal responsibilities and how you are taxed. So, next is obtaining necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your location and the products you plan to sell, you may need various licenses and permits to legally operate your dropshipping business. It's crucial to research and comply with local, state, and federal regulations to avoid any legal issues down the road. So, next is applying for a federal tax ID, also known as an employer identification number or EIN. This is like a social security number for your business. It's essential for tax purposes and may be required when you're setting up accounts with suppliers or payment processors. Applying for an EIN is a straightforward process through the IRS website. And that's it. You now have a clear understanding of how to start a dropshipping business by forming your business, selecting the appropriate business structure, ensuring legal compliance with licenses and permits, and obtaining your federal tax ID. So, before I go, remember that the world of dropshipping is dynamic and staying informed and adaptable is key to success. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to start a dropshipping business by forming your business. See you on my next video.